All right, we got a little video I'm dropping today for you guys. It's some of the bucks we encountered, had on camera this year. And I posted a little video of my grandson's first deer. I was going back through my footage and found where we were on the track for his first deer. He was 9 at the time. He's 10 now. I know you probably seen him in some of the other videos if you're a subscriber to my channel, Maddox. But if you're not a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. The Passion 365. But it's going to try to keep this content going. It's going to be some more work being done throughout the season. You guys will see, and we'll have some turkey hunts on here as well. But we just wanted to show some Illinois bucks, some South Carolina bucks that we've had on camera that we were after this year, that I was after this year, and Maddox was after as well. So appreciate you guys joining in. Appreciate you guys joining the channel, subscribing to the channel, being faithful watchers and subscribers, going in and watching the content. So with no further ado, we're gonna go into the video. Y'all enjoy. All right, we got Maddox practicing for a game day situation. So he got the crossbow. We're at 30 yards. We've done a couple other shots before, but he wanted me to get one on camera. So get it situated. See, the finger's not on the trigger, so we're safety first. You don't put his finger there until he's ready to shoot. Booyaka. I know you heard it, but we got several arrows down there. So I've been shooting as well, but pretty good shot. Yee. Man's got his first deer. He's gonna be ruined. But this guy came out at 450 and he placed a freaking absolute perfect shot. Look at that. That deer didn't run 50 yards. He's done. What do you think about that, buddy? Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, dude. My old buckaroo. Got it. All right, we're gonna take some pictures, get him bloodied up, get him to the processor. He was definitely rutting. Big deer. Congrats, buddy.
It did. It hit 87 off the chest. Oh, it hit the ground.